Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the SICO Industry Limited, I, Amrita Lunagaria, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company, extend a warm welcome to all to the 20th Annual General Meeting of the company. Due to COVID-19 pandemic and social distancing norms, we are holding this annual general meeting through video conferencing. Today, we have with us our respected Chairman and Full-Time Director, Sri Ghanshyambhai Kumbhani, Managing Director, Jayanti Kumbhani, Non-Executive Director, Praveen Kumbhani, Independent Director, Hasmukh Vavaiya, Chief Financial Officer, Sri Mukesh Shah, and Scrutinizer, Sri Anand Bhavaiya. As a requisite quorum of member is present, with the consent of the member, with the consent of the chairman, I declare the meeting in order. I would like to inform that members who have not voted through remote e-voting can cast their vote through e-voting facility during the AGM. The e-voting facility has been enabled for shareholders to vote during the meeting, and the same will be available till 15 minutes after the closure of this meeting. The Board of Directors has appointed Mr. Anand Bhavaiya as a scrutinizer to scrutinize the vote casted during the meeting and vote casted through remote e-voting platform of NSDL. The Register of Director and KMP and Register of Contract and all other documents referred to in the notice are available for inspection in electronic forms. Member may inspect the same by requesting the company at compliance@sicoindia.com. Now I would like to request our company's Managing Director, Sri Jayanti Kumbhani, to give brief about the affairs of the company to the shareholders.
Good evening, everybody. I myself, Jayanti Kumbhani, Managing Director of the company, welcome you to all in this 20th Annual General Meeting of the company via video conferencing. I am happy to share with you that our company has improved its performance by leap and bound. The year 1920 brought us unprecedented learning with the novel coronavirus outbreak, compelling the corporate community to rethink strategy to try and overcome the deep impact the pandemic has had on various businesses. Amidst this environment, I want to assure you that the company's unwavering focus has been to keep its employees and communities that we operate in safe and healthy. With a vision to the most preferred agriculture product brand in India, SICO reported a net sale of 31.98 crore in 2019-20 compared to 26.89 crore in the year 18-19. Simultaneously, our net profit stood at 2.43 crore in 19-20 against 2 crore in 18-19. At SICO, our commitment goes beyond field and farm. Our focus is to make agriculture sustainable by helping farmers in producing more and converging more. We sustain both farm and farmers. By helping farmers in producing more and converging more, we sustain both farm and farmers. By harvesting more success, we make agriculture more viable and rewarding. We are committed to develop technology to enable farmers to produce more crop while converging more of the natural resources that are essential to their success. Produce more, converging more, and improving lives. That's sustainable agriculture, and that's what SICO is all about. Within a span of 20 years of race, with a few and innovative concepts new in the history of agriculture, the company has achieved its grand success by wide range of bioagrochemicals, pesticides, seeds, fertilizers, sprayers in the domestic market as well as in the international markets. The company is planning to enter into FMCG market in very near future. Our game-changing product offering make the products more efficient under challenging conditions, and enable the farmers to obtain higher yield and earn a premium on their products. We build our brand and develop our product through extensive research and development activities, relentless innovation, and crystal clear marketing carried out by our company. This is a powerful blend and that help and inspire us, our farmers, as well as our customers. We are committed to make sustainable agriculture using farming techniques that can protect the environment, public health, human communities, and animal welfare. Over the years, we have positioned ourselves credibility in the marketplace due to creation of Sequo Science by delivering the right product in right place and at the right time. I would like to sincerely thank all our customers, our employees, our supplier, our business partners, our shareholders for being with us throughout this transspecial journey and who continue to repose their faith and trust in our company. I would particularly like to thank all the employees of Sequo Industry Limited for their dedication, hard work, and committed toward the company. We look forward to another successful year ahead with several new initiatives planned. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, MD sir, for your inputs on affairs of the company. Moving forward with the business agenda for the meeting. We have two business agenda to be transacted as per notice. In case if any shareholder has any question or query on any agenda item, they can write us in the chat box facility, which is enabled for the shareholder to raise such question or queries. We shall reply the same after the closure of this meeting. Since the notice is circulated in advance, it is proposed to take as read. Hence, with the permission of the shareholder, I take the notice as read. I now take up item number 1, that is adoption of the audited financial statement for the financial year ended on 31st March 2020 and report of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. The director report and auditor report are already circulated in advance. It is proposed to take them as a read. Hence, with the permission of the shareholder, I take as a read. Second business, which is to appoint a director in place of Mr. Jayantibhai Kumbhani, who retired by rotation and being eligible, seeks reappointment. Further, if any shareholder has technical issue for casting their votes, they can raise the query in chat box. Our technical team is available for assistance. There is no other business to transact. Hence, I would like to thank all the shareholders for sparing their valuable time for this annual general meeting. Thank you so much.